Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Welcome to our series on car care tips. Today, we're focusing on your car's air conditioning system and the mistakes you should avoid to keep it in top shape. 6 common mistakes to avoid with your car's air conditioning unit. Are you making these common mistakes with your car's air conditioning? Avoiding these errors can help you maintain a comfortable and efficient vehicle. Here are 6 things you should probably not do with the air conditioning of your car. Disregard regular AC system maintenance. Regular maintenance of your car's air conditioning AC system is crucial to ensure optimal functioning and longevity of the system. By keeping up with regular maintenance, you can prevent potential issues and costly repairs down the line. Risks of neglecting maintenance. Neglecting regular maintenance of your car's AC system can lead to a range of issues. These may include decreased cooling efficiency, strange odors, mold and bacteria buildup, and potential component failures. Additionally, a neglected AC system can put extra strain on your vehicle's engine, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. By staying on top of regular maintenance, you can ensure that your car's AC system continues to provide efficient and reliable cooling, especially during hot weather. Using the wrong refrigerant for the vehicle AC systems. The refrigerant in a car AC system plays a crucial role in its cooling process. The 2 most common types of refrigerants used in car air conditioning systems are R134A and the newer R1234YF. R134A has been the standard for many years, while R1234YF is being adopted in newer vehicles due to its lower environmental impact. These refrigerants have different chemical compositions and are not interchangeable. Consequences of using the wrong refrigerant. Using the wrong refrigerant in your car's AC system can have serious consequences. It can damage the AC compressor and other components, leading to costly repairs. Additionally, mixing different types of refrigerants can result in reduced cooling efficiency and potential safety hazards. Furthermore, using an incorrect refrigerant can also void the manufacturer's warranty, leaving you responsible for any resulting issues. By understanding the types of refrigerants for car AC systems and the potential consequences of using the wrong one, you can ensure the proper functioning and longevity of your vehicle's air conditioning system. Overlooking strange noises or smells. Strange noises or smells coming from your car's air conditioning system are often warning signs that should not be overlooked. These indicators can be a sign of underlying issues that, if left unaddressed, could lead to more serious and costly problems down the line. Strange noises. If you hear rattling, squealing or grinding noises when you turn on the air conditioning, it could indicate a problem with the compressor or other components. Unusual smells. A musty or moldy odor when you turn on the air conditioning may point to microbial growth within the system. A strong chemical smell could signal a refrigerant leak. Potential causes 1. Noises. The compressor, clutch or bearings may be worn out, leading to unusual sounds. Alternatively, debris or a failing motor could be causing the noise. Smells. Microbial growth often occurs in the evaporator core due to moisture buildup. A refrigerant leak can result in the release of a pungent odor. Solutions. If you notice strange noises, have a professional inspect the compressor and other components to identify the source of the issue. To address musty odors, the evaporator core should be cleaned and treated to prevent microbial growth. A refrigerant leak requires immediate attention from a certified technician to repair the source and recharge the system. Remember, ignoring these warning signs can lead to more extensive and expensive repairs in the future. It's best to address any strange noises or smells from your car's air conditioning system promptly. Ignoring leaks. Identifying AC leaks. If you notice a puddle of water under your car after using the AC, it could indicate a leak in the system. Another sign is the presence of oil or dye around the AC components. Professionals can use UV dye and a special light to pinpoint the exact location of the leak. Impact of ignoring leaks. Ignoring AC leaks can lead to a decrease in cooling efficiency, and over time, it can cause significant damage to the compressor and other vital components. This can result in costly repairs or even the need for a full AC system replacement. Regularly inspecting the AC system for leaks and addressing them promptly can help prevent these issues. Setting the temperature too low. When it comes to your car's air conditioning, setting the temperature too low can lead to various issues that can affect both your comfort and the efficiency of the system. Finding the ideal temperature settings and understanding the effects of extremely low temperatures is crucial for maintaining a balanced and functional air conditioning system. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below and a thumbs up if it's hitting the spot. Don't forget to share with friends who might dig this and hit that subscribe button for more. Ideal temperature settings. Setting your car's air conditioning temperature to an ideal level is essential for ensuring a comfortable driving experience without overworking the system. The recommended temperature setting for most people is around 22-25 degrees Celsius, 71-77 degrees Fahrenheit. This range provides a comfortable level of cooling without putting excessive strain on the air conditioning system. Effects of extremely low temperatures. Setting the temperature too low can have several negative effects on both the car's occupants and the air conditioning system itself. Extremely low temperatures inside the car can lead to discomfort, especially during long drives. Additionally, running the air conditioning at very low temperatures for extended periods can put a significant strain on the system, potentially leading to increased wear and tear, higher energy consumption, and a greater likelihood of malfunctions. Understanding the impact of temperature settings on your car's air conditioning system is essential for maintaining optimal performance and ensuring a comfortable driving environment. Finding the right balance in temperature settings can help prolong the life of the air conditioning system while also enhancing your overall driving experience. Running the AC at full blast immediately. When it's scorching hot outside and you hop into your car, the temptation to crank up the AC to full blast immediately is understandable. However, there are some risks associated with this practice. Risks of immediate full blast usage. Running the AC at full blast right from the get-go can put a strain on the system, leading to premature wear and tear. This can result in increased maintenance costs over time. Additionally, the sudden drop in temperature inside the car can be quite a shock to your body, especially if you've been exposed to the heat for a while. This drastic temperature change can be uncomfortable and may even lead to health issues for some individuals. Best practices for using the AC. To avoid putting unnecessary strain on your car's AC system, it's best to gradually increase the intensity of the cooling. Start by rolling the windows down for a moment to allow the hot air to escape, then switch on the AC at a moderate setting. Once the hot air has been expelled, you can increase the cooling level to your desired comfort. This approach not only eases the burden on the AC system, but also provides a more comfortable transition for both you and your passengers. Remember, a little patience can go a long way in preserving the longevity of your car's AC. In summary, maintaining your car's air conditioning system is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Avoiding common mistakes such as overusing the AC, ignoring strange odors, and neglecting regular maintenance will save you time and money in the long run. By being mindful of these potential pitfalls, you can ensure that your car's AC operates smoothly, keeping you comfortable on the road while avoiding unnecessary repairs. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.